guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. I'm so glad you guys clicked on this video. I'm super excited to share with y'all what this unboxing is. Of course, by the title you can see what it is, and of course you clicked on it because you wanted to see what it is. But yes, you guys, it's so cute. My SA was able to like pre-order it and like have it sent to the store, and it's so cute. When I saw it, I thought it was adorable. But you guys, I have not seen y'all in a while. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're new and you clicked on my channel, please stick around and hit that subscribe button. I'll be doing a YSL card holder giveaway pretty soon. But yes, you guys, and then yes, girls or guys, whoever's watching, yes, y'all see my lashes. I know they're really like crazy looking right now, but it's 4th of July week. My girl that does my lashes, she's gone. So yes, you guys can see it. They look wild. I just want to throw that out there, right? So y'all don't like come for me with my lashes. But yes, guys, let's go ahead and get started to the unboxing. All right, guys, here it is. So this packaging is actually from the Kusama collection that was out like a few months ago. Or that came out a few months ago. But yeah, I mean, I didn't buy anything from there, but she was just nice enough to give this to me, and I think it's super cute because my entire closet is full of orange boxes and bags. But this will be like a cute little pop of color. So yeah, let me go ahead and place it down. Y'all already know what it is with this orange box. But yes, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the actual bag. Let me not try to break stuff around here. Okay, we're good. All right, you guys, but it is the Speedy 20 Bandoulière in the Damier Ebene, whatever you want to call it, print, you guys. Okay, she is such a vibe, you guys. She's so cute. Isn't she like super adorable? I'm just like, oh, so cute, right? I love it. But this is the Speedy 20, so she is smaller, but I think she's a good size. So let me go ahead and open it up. Zipper is okay, but I feel like it could be a little smoother. You guys, she comes with one pocket, and we have all this stuff in the pocket. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh, can't have that showing, huh? All right, so you guys, it's just a textile little paper. This one, made in the USA. I don't think you guys are gonna find anything that's not made in the USA with this bag, just because it's a popular bag. I feel like they don't make them like made in France and Italy and Spain and whatnot. But here is the little item number if you want to check it out for yourself. But yeah, so I'm like thinking this is such a cute size. That's why I was like, it intrigued me. But you know, this one has been out, well, the monogram one has been out for a little bit, and you know what, I don't know, you know, monogram, the baquette all over, like you touching on it, I just feel like it's not a good thing, especially with a Speedy. Like, you're literally grabbing it, your hands are dirty, you know, whether you were, I'm like a clean freak, I'm always like spraying sanitizer and stuff, but at the end of the day, your hands are dirty. So but you guys, either you love it or hate it. Here's like the best part or not so best part of this, the strap. Yes. So personally, I'm not a fan of this sports strap or guitar strap, but I love this color. It's so neutral. I feel like I can utilize it for my other handbags. So it might be like a good thing, like you're kind of justifying buying this so you can use this on different bags, you know what I mean? That makes sense. But yeah, guys, it has the leather chocolate brown color to it, and it says Louis Vuitton on the little clips. But this one is adjustable. So I've heard that when this first came out, like when in the monogram, they had a strap that wasn't adjustable, which is really weird, right? I don't know why they did that, but again, I don't have that, so I'm not really sure what that one might look like. But it has the pretty little details to it, and of course it's Louis Vuitton on it. But y'all, I was just thinking, by me just touching it with my hands, you guys should be like extremely kind of like mindful when touching this strap, because it is so light in color. It's like a Obviously it's like a beigey color or cream color, beige, and like more of a little bit of a coffee color, I would say. It's really, really pretty, but it can get dirty. I'm like, ew, I don't know how I feel about that. But yes, you guys, the strap, I think it is cute. I'm not a big fan. If you watch my unboxing for my, what is that? Oh, my On The Go PM from the summer collection, the pastel one. There's a sport strap that comes with that one too. I don't like that. And also my, what is it? My, oh my gosh, the multi-pochette accessory, is that what it is? Oh my god, I'm like, don't even remember my bags anymore. But that one has a sport strap as well, and I don't know how I felt about it either. There's an unboxing for that one too. I'll just link them down below so you guys can kind of see the straps on those bags. But yes, but let's get into this cutie. Okay, I feel like everything is gonna just fall, so we're just gonna put it right there. But yeah, key and the lock comes with, and then this is traditional Speedy stuff that the lock and key comes with. I don't really utilize this, and I don't know if I know like some girls put it on there. Like I used to put it on there as well, like my other Speedies, the little key in the front, so like a cute decoration, but it kind of tarnishes, so you have to be a little bit careful with it. But yeah, here's the keys. I don't know, ever since I realized that, I just don't use it like that. So yes, but guys, I'm sad that it's made in the US, but because yeah, if it was made in France, I'm sure it'll say made in France, but this just says Louis Vuitton Paris. I really think this is a pretty bag, you guys. If you love this, definitely get it in this print, because sheesh, malfunction. Because this print right here, you can dress it up or dress it down, in my opinion. And also I feel like you can be more like carefree and comfortable, and you don't have to really like baby it. But yes, I'm 5'4" and about like 120 pounds, and I feel like on me she's like the perfect size. Like she's super cute, and I can definitely wear her like this. I don't even have to wear the strap. It's not heavy, it's so light. What makes it heavy obviously is the strap. So yes, let's go ahead and see what fits in. I will just grab stuff from right here. All right, let's see what I got. All right, first I have my my Chanel card holder. She's so pretty. I love the pink. But yes, I do have bigger card holders. I don't have big wallets. I'm not a big wallet girl. I only have card holders, but I have the ones that with the flap on them as well. So yes, but this is the one I'm currently using. Of course, she fits in perfectly. And then I have my 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton. I have my mailbox key, my house keys stuff in here, so that one goes in here. And then I have my compact mirror that I carry around. So cute. This is a limited edition one that the Chanel had. It's pink. I love pink. All things Barbie. Just kidding, but you know, I love a Barbie moment and a pink color. So this one's super cute, and it comes in this little thing. But yeah, you guys, these are all very hard to get usually. But I got this one. And then she can actually go in this pocket right here. Actually, yeah, it fits in that little pocket. Perfect. So I usually sometimes carry like a hair clip, of course, pink as well. Let's throw her in there. She fits. Oh, can't go anywhere without my car key. This is a more bulky car key. I don't know why Mercedes loves to make them so big and bulky, but yeah. I would probably put this like kind of on the side. The thing with the Speedies is they are so unorganized. It's not even funny. Like you have to like, it's a big black hole almost. So I have my mini pochette. Sorry y'all, I'm kind of running out of breath. I'm trying to talk fast. Mini pochette has all the little jazzy stuff in it. My Chanel, this is the Dawn color in 158. This is like a glossy type of one. It's a lip thing. So pretty. And then I have like my sanitizer, some sample perfumes from Chanel, and like my Tylenol, like wipes, like sanitizing wipes and stuff. So yes, she will go in here as well. I'm gonna have to fit it around because the hair clip is kind of, that hair clip might not work and I don't want to scratch stuff around. And then like a pair of sunglasses would be good. These are Louis Vuitton sunglasses. You guys, I don't wear sunglasses. I know, horrible, right? But I've had these for such a long time. It just sits in my closet. I don't wear them. I'll link these for you guys from the Louis Vuitton website if you want to know what they're called. I don't really know if there's a name to them, but there's like a little code for it. But yeah, it just says made in Italy, Louis Vuitton. I love the little details to it. As you can see, it's so pretty, like literally has details all over. I'll try them on for you guys. But yeah, such a vibe, right? Like it's so pretty. But yes, you guys, if you have any questions, of course, leave it down below. I will do another video on this and let you guys know like more details. And then I'll try this strap like with other bags. I actually want to try it on my Pochette Métis really quick. I know a lot of you girls have the Pochette Métis. That's obviously like a popular bag amongst the designer community, I would say. But let's see. Here she is. She's a cutie as well. She fits a ton. I love this bag. I do have a video on this as well. It was actually a versus one, or was it a versus one? I will link it down for you below in case you guys are interested in watching it. But guys, let me tell you something. With this one, of course, it's not a perfect like match. But you guys, it's not a perfect match just because like this right here is like more of the chocolatey colored, but I feel like it kind of goes with the background of that, you know. But let's see how we feel. She's actually cute. See, like, oh my gosh, I had to put a bandeau because, you know, like the vaqueta on the top. But you guys, it's actually really cute. I'm trying to stand on my tippy toe so y'all can kind of see. But yes, she's cute, right? Like you can utilize the strap on other stuff, so you can kind of justify getting it. And I would get the neutral color strap just because you can use it on, like I said, different handbags. You can get your like money's worth, I guess you can say. She's cute, she's adorable. I love it. She's such a little vibe. And I also have this one as well right here. You guys can kind of like, this is from my Belong Louis Vuitton Belong bag, whatever, but this one's super cute. Let's try this really quick. Oh, she's a vibe, right? Like a little edginess to her. And yes, you can kind of like hold her like this. See, oh my gosh, this is like a cute size because you can do this, right? It's not the big humongous like tote bag or something like that. This is actually cute. What's a good idea I have right now? But yeah, I mean, you can find these like this type of chains on Amazon. I'm sure you can. But yes, you guys, if you stuck around till the end, I appreciate you. Girl, need to talk right. I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys do click on that subscribe button, and yes, stick around for that giveaway pretty soon. Follow me on Instagram, and yes guys, thanks for watching, loves. Bye, lovelies.